Hey, this is Dan O'Reilly with GeoShack. I'm here at the World of Concrete. I'm going to talk to you today about the M200 series drone from DJI. This model here is actually our 210 RTK. What you see here is a 30x zoom camera along with a FLIR camera. This would be our typical inspection package. If you see on the controller here, we're running in what we call thermal imagery. That could be used in construction for rooftop inspections, solar panels, and then the 30x zoom is under for bridge inspections, building inspections, crack analysis type of situations. A lot of times we're just using this for mapping, for doing dirt work quantities. In that case, we just need a single camera. It's what we call our mapping payload. With this unit, we can fly and get about inch to inch and a half accuracy for our topographic work, and that's much more efficient, better way to collect data than a conventional survey application. Safer, faster, and you get more data. So the M200 is an all-weather system, can handle IP43 weather rating, which means that it gets a light mist and very cold temperatures, or wide temperature range, about up to a 36-minute flight time. So in that time, we can cover close to 80 acres on a construction site and get to that inch and a half accuracy.